In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see archive deals Freshsales. When deals are no longer active, you might expect to find them in a separate archive area. In Freshsales, these deals are commonly treated as deals in a lost stage. This is useful because it lets you review past opportunities, understand why they did not move forward, and keep your active pipeline clean. To begin, go to the left sidebar in Freshsales and click on the Deals icon. This takes you into your Deals area where you can view and manage your pipeline. Next, make sure you are viewing deals in List View. Look for the table-style icon that switches the layout into a list. This part matters because the Kanban board view usually focuses on active stages and can make it harder to surface deals that are no longer in progress. In List View, you get a clear table layout that works best with filtering. Once you are in List View, open the filters. Find and click the filter icon. This will open a panel or menu where you can narrow down what you see in the list. Now filter by stage. In the stage options, check the box beside the lost stage. In many Freshsales setups, lost is effectively used as the archive state, meaning these are deals that have been closed out and are no longer active in your pipeline. If you are looking for deals you previously removed from active work, this is the key setting to use. After selecting lost, click apply. The deals list will refresh, and you should now see only the deals that match that stage, which means you are now looking at your archive deals view. If you need to return to your normal active deals, you can come back to the same filter area later and remove the lost stage filter or adjust it to the stages you want to work with. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.